As you make a vase, some of the problems that will occur that you might forget about later on is taking that water out before you make a narrow neck. So make sure the wheel is spinning when you go to put your sponge in. If it's stopped, you're going to dent the outside of your rim. I can easily fit my hand in there still. Squeeze all that water out. If there's a lot in there, it's very important to get out or the bottom will crack. I'm going to work on making this neck a little bit narrower. And the way I'm going to do that is called collaring. So I'm speeding the wheel up, making sure my hands are very wet, and I'm going to squeeze that in. That's about as narrow as I want to go right now. And I'm going to put my hand back in there, and I'm going to work on getting this outside a little bit wider. So I'm going to pull up just a tiny bit and stretch out about here. My inside fingers are kind of lifting the wall up.